Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take macro movie in your phone Vivo V29 Pro. First of all, open camera in your phone and click on macro movie and start recording. Click on the start button and record video. Okay, and then I bring the subject and I stop recording and click on this tick mark button and record. See here, with some music effect, bring the subject. With some music effects, it has been recorded. Okay, click on save. Finally it will be saving. Okay, so in this way you can easily take macro movie in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.